Hey there, I just want to share my review on the Gas One 3-burner 26-inch griddle. So I'll show you a few meals that I've cooked with it already. I'm happy with the size of this. We're a family of 5, and so I've been able to cook one whole meal on the top, which has been super handy. When you take this out of the box, you just have your griddle top, and then you're going to put your feet on it. So you'll just screw those on. It comes with the cord that you're going to hook up. As far as like camping and traveling with this one, it's very lightweight, easy to just put in the back of the vehicle, wipe it off when you're ready to cook. As far as using the burners, you're just going to turn it to the push and then hit your clicker. And then that will get your flame started. And then I find that it's easiest just to look through on the side to be able to see, obviously because you're not going to want to be touching the top when you're lighting it. And then you also have a drip tray here where all of your grease and extra stuff will fit, and you can easily just pull this out. So this is about the size of it. So that fits in pretty easily. So, and then easy to wipe down. And then I just purchased some disposable covers to put on top of this so that I can keep it a little bit cleaner while it's out here in the garage.